Om Swastiastu! Hello! My name is Novi. Welcome to Novi's Bali Kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce you to some Balinese ingredients that we use to cook Balinese dishes. And here I have some spices such as white peppercorn, nutmeg, black peppercorn, coriander seed, candle nut, cloves, and kaffir lime fruit. We also use lemongrass, lime, lemon, kaffir lime leaf, and we use three kinds of chilies such as bird eye chili or tabia Bali, small green chili or tabia krenyi, big red chili or tabia lombok, and palm sugar, tamarind, shrimp paste, salt. And in Bali, we have lots of different kind of banana. Here I have some. This is called biumas or gold banana, and this is called biuraja or king banana. And I have some cherry tomatoes, which is grown locally, and this coconut, and my homemade coconut oil. You can see clear and smells so fresh. And also here I have some ginger, or we call jahe, some galangal, or we call isen, turmeric, or we call kunyit, lesser galangal or aromatic ginger, we call ceko, shallot, or we call bawang, and garlic, or we call cuisine. And here I have some vegetable that I bought this morning, and they all grown locally. Here I have eggplant, aubergine, avocado, green bean, radish, and also I have some asparagus, kailan, rucola, mint, watercress, spinach, or we call bayam, cuisine, or we call sawi ijo. These are some ingredients that we will use for Balinese dishes. Thank you very much for watching. Please keep an eye out for my future videos, and see you next time. Matur Suksma!